Hello.
Oh.
My dad grounded me yesterday because he felt like it, so that's why I didn't upload it yesterday. Yeah, I'm sorry.
You shouldn't be making videos.
Ooh, I'll take it. I'll take that. So get me more material.
I need that.
Dude, I was quickly trying to read X's. Definitely want to be. That's really all I wanted to read. You know that you don't have to do that, right?
No, I have to do that.
My brain stopped after hearing what you just did.
I can't just stand and shit what won't work.
Reset.
Sheesh.
Okay, so I'm on my ship again.
Is there anything I can do?
Why does it keep popping?
Nope.
69,000 per nautical mile.
Downwards.
I'm going like 10 nautical miles.
Is that like slow?
It's like $100,000.
We're in Maniac. I don't think I can get it, but I'm gonna try.
Okay, Matthew, I'm actually moving.
I feel like Bert doesn't attack too fast, but I'll upgrade this guy.
Gio, you don't go at 100%. Why are you going at 100%? You don't go at 100%. You don't ever go at 100%.
Okay, yeah, I'm actually gonna use this guy.
You don't go. You are.
So then I knock back Bert's
You never
sometimes.
go at 100%.
I'll replace it with weightlifter because you won't be able to get very many hits.
Anyway, I'm not gonna play this anymore.
And I'm not sure if they're metal enemies, so just to be safe, we'll get this guy. Who should I replace him with? Who should I replace?
Oh, it says something. Okay, so do I gotta do?
Dude, these are all good. Sorry, Irun. Actually, I'm pretty sure it's 100%.
Dude, how do I get this out of my way?
Okay. We got 2 snipers. Cyberpunk would also work as a sniper, funnily enough.
I'm dead.
Yeah, this guy attacks too often for Bert to get a hit. Okay, we got a 3rd sniper round.
Mom, is that yours?
I think we need normal macho cat for this.
Where is yours?
Hopefully not. Well, the wall cats are alive, so not anymore. Okay, let's get out the sniper yet again. Let's get out our other sniper. Also, why was the bro given a potato gun? Like, he needs an actual gun. Me just saving up. Oh no, not reindeer. I don't like these idiots. They're really annoying. Oh my god, you can one-shot behind it? Well, guess I ain't getting near. I don't like this reindeer. Oh my god, you bought Cat Tornado, you stupid CPU. Why did I hire you? I think it's saving up for an Uber. Which isn't a bad idea, but still. Geo! Stop! You're literally copying me. Nobody's better than me. Oh my god. Stop buying Cat Tornado, you dumb CPU.
Guys, this is what makes me sound like.
No, I do not.
Everyone thinks Mason is a girl, too. Yeah, that's right. Everyone does look like a girl. No one looks like a girl except me.
Shut up, Geo.
How many days, bro?
Bro, this is such a hard battle.
Bro, this is so smooth.
Oh my god, stop! Stop. No, everybody's better than you. You're better than nobody. Nobody likes you, Gio.
Wait, if you say I'm better than nobody, then that means I'm better.
Okay, now we got a moth as well.
How did myself just get stuck?
I wish I never took out weightlifter. Oh yeah, the board died. Good job, Pan. Okay, now spam your heart away. Oh my god. I don't like reindeers.
I'm just glad that everyone likes me.
Shut the heck up.
Now you basically said the F.
No, I didn't. Everybody hates you, Gio. Nobody likes you.
Everyone likes me.
Nobody likes you. Guys, I'm holding up the amount of people that like Gio. Try to guess it. Oh, if you guessed Gio, you're correct. Are you kidding me? Now there's an alien boar as well? Come on, my man. Don't ever let a mutated enemy Manic bird start an army. Oh yeah, let's go. You know the Rangers died. The other one will die soon. Okay, it's probably gonna be wanting to save up for Bahamut. Okay, that deer better die soon. Okay, that bull gotta be near dead. I wonder how many snipers I have out right now. Sniper the recruits, I mean. It looks like I have 2. And then I've got 2 cyberpunks, 4 snipers total. As well as Sniper the cat. Okay, now there's a moth. Why did you have to put in an extra ball? Oh, yeah. Oh, great, another bull. We're very slowly killing the bird. I feel like this is gonna take forever. I mean, like, we both know that I'm gonna beat this level, but it would take, like, forever. Oh, yeah, reindeer die.
Freddy, what are you doing? Get over me!
Oh yeah, good job changing them up here. Oh my god, I got 3 cyberpunks. You can't beat 3 cyberpunks. As well as 2 sniper the recruits. And a sniper the cat. I mean, they're pretty much almost always going to be frozen and then knocked back. Like, they rarely ever get to attack. Okay, the CPU is definitely going to want to save up for a Bahamut cat. Why it looks like one of my cyberpunks just died. I mean, I know that one of them didn't, but it looks like one just did. My Bahamut immediately died. Oh dude, this reindeer can't be at too high health, can it now? All 3 of the cyberpunks are now stacked. They're moving up. They're moving up. That means we're moving up. That means that we're winning. Eventually we. So, come on, you reindeer, you gotta be low. Like, one of you have got to be low.
do one more time.
Oh yeah, another sniper the recruit. More knockbacks. Less enemy hitting time. Uh-oh, the alien boar decided that he wants to come back. Well, that's not very good. I mean, even if I know that we can beat him, it's still not good. I mean, this guy's just really annoying. Oh, dude, we can get yet another cyberpunk. I don't have enough money, but we can. This moth dies, we'll get a lot of money. Let's hope that this moth quickly dies. Cyberpunk is actually being surprisingly good here. And Sniper the Recruit being a big help. No, I wanted to get a cyberpunk. Who did you decide to get out? Oh, the anti-alien Uber. Makes sense, but I'd rather get a cyberpunk. Oh yes, cyberpunk time. Yet another cyberpunk. We're literally cyberpunking them. Get cyberpunk to roll. I can't imagine getting cyberpunked. Oh my god, this stage is gonna take like 8 years. Oh my god, that's literally so annoying. Not only that, but I'm literally recording. Dude, I've got so many cyberpunks that I've got. To be honest, I wonder when the Manic Bird is gonna die. Yeah, when the Manic Bird dies, we pretty much just win. I'm not sure if we're even hitting the Manic Bird. I don't think we're hitting him. We gotta move up. Either that or he gotta move up. Okay, one of the reindeer have died, which is good. Oh yeah, I just hit the Manic Bird. If this reindeer dies, we can start hitting the Manic Bird again. Cyberpunk is being absolutely OP in this stage. Oh no, there's a boar. Why? It's literally so boring. Okay, that reindeer gotta be low. I just want the Manic Bird, okay? Get back. Oh no, these guys are getting a bit close. Oh yeah, knockback time. I just love bullying these guys. They deserve it, because they're evil. Oh my god, can you stop dying?
No, I can't.
Come on, that boar gotta be low. That boar will die like any second now. When will you die? Oh my god, why did you just get 3 crits in a row? I've never seen that from a cyberpunk. Too slow? Well, luckily you're really weak. I mean, you only do 1 damage anyways, like you can't even hurt us. so, there's a moth. If that dies, it'll give us a lot of money. These guys basically just can't move up because we're freezing them. We're freezing them way too much. Not only that, but we keep knocking them back. So even if they do get a bit too close for my liking. Oh yeah, yet another cyberpunk. Oh my god, this is like our 5th one. Okay, that Manic bird gotta be almost dead. Okay, yep, this sign boy is dead. We're really close to their base. Okay, come on. You got this. I can't deploy anymore, oh my god. I want to deploy more. Let me deploy more. Oh no, it's a boar. I hate boars. I also hate that Manic bird. Like, just let me get you as a unit. You suck anyways. I just wanted to get you for fun. Just let me do it. Oh my god, that boar just got really badly bullied. Let's bully it again. Get bullied. You deserve it. What's nice to know is that some of the cyberpunks are hitting the Manic bird. Ha, another sign? Oh my god, we've been playing this for 20 minutes. I just want the Manic bird. It just gives the darn bird to me. Don't eat. Don't you? Oh my. Okay, that boar's very low. I mean, you can literally just tell that it's very low. It's been hit so much, it's been knocked back once. The first knockback is a little stronger than I don't know why. Oh my god, Geo, that is so annoying. That is so annoying. Oh yes, cyberpunk yet again. Oh my god, that's our like 6th cyberpunk. Cyberpunk stacking is literally OP. So if you can get them stacked, it's like over for the enemies. Okay, die you dumb Manic bird. How much HP do you have? Oh yeah, let's go. I love moths. They're just free money in this level. Oh no, we've got 2 boars out at the same time. How come the alien boar is not dead yet? Like, how much HP can that tank? Oh my god, it's finally dead. What took you guys so long this time?
Yeah, I think this would be something more different. Because Sonic.
Yeah, go cry about it. You just got cyber bullied. Go cry to your mama. You know you can't beat us. Like, just go home, seriously. I've wasted so much time. Oh my god, I'm so close. Oh, that we're gonna knock back. That's nice. That's nice. I'm over halfway to getting my 7th cyberpunk. 7 human souls. Oh, I'm almost able to get my 7th cyberpunk out. Oh my god, die you dumb Manic bird. And die you dumb boar. I think I'm knocking him back too much for me to actually hit him. The problem is I'm knocking him back too much. Can you guys like die? Because that would be nice. Nice. Oh, the Manic bird is dead. Dude, let's go. Cyberpunk moment. Absolute Chad. Okay, let's go get its true form. Can you, like, stop dying? Wee. Okay, where's the dumb burb? Oh my god, it ain't even level 20. Well, that's fine. I'll just go farm some XP in SOL. Okay, what would be the best place? Let's go buy some more CPUs. Buying CPUs is... Oh my god, I don't get any XP. Buying CPUs is painful. Well, obviously I won't be able to get the true form in this video, but...
I said stop 2 doors. And no one really asked. Someone probably does. You're wrong. Oh.
Dude, why are you so expensive to upgrade? Just get cheap.
Just get cheap like me.
Well, anyways, thank you guys for wasting your time on this lame video. That took literally forever.
Yeah, because you're a fat idiot.
Gio, stop. You're ruining my video. Nobody likes you.
Nathan, does it matter if I ruin it? You always know. You ignore me when I...
Well, thank you guys for watching. And see ya, guys. And I'm actually quite surprised that this happens. We'll see.